I was buck naked like him when he came in. Told him my ABCs with my alphabet skin. Took up his wings and clung to his losses. The courses, his knights, his bosses. The jackhammer in his head creating a 20-pill coffin. The bed lofted high, the mind rocking him by. Become blind, sip his third eye. Sight to the sky, dreams and died in the lines. Rhyming a ride is dying. He couldn't stand the lies and the fighting. The tongue speaking words, but the lips just miming. Poor brothers and sisters dying, cause happiness is rich, but cats can't buy in. So he asked why Simon. Took my fist and raised it high to the light. Dolly's Christ tatted on the right arm. Put the Son of Man dreaded locks in my heart. Put the King of Dreams in my head. Americans' history followed with Malcolm's X. We are not enemies but friends scribbled on my chest. I have held the secrets he kept. Left in memories embedded in my pecs. The 3 cuts in my eyebrow, the 3 dents in my head. One good friend, last aesthetic breath, late tears that put a choke on his neck, so he wept. Mother Earth streamed down upon his vest, a promise made and so far a promise kept. The forfeit death with pillow drenched yet hidden. The second in good riddance, 2 twins doomed for sinning. One for what happened, the other the reaction. The art once beautifully drawn on my hip, now ripped and split like a blood clot within kinship. Hate await for forgiveness immense. Oversized for a busted wallet, so hell can't be too expensive. Hence his rage represented with black lyricist on my right tit, the mic kid. He inserted the third so hard his knuckles hurt. I've seen our heart burst, bewitched by passion's curse to bite through his skin so blood dripped down the hand. See, true insanity occurs between light weeks and days break. When insomniacs put head down the leg where nightmares become reality's grave of him shifting and slipping steel blade from vein. White coat put him on the rope and choke off the tower, no hope to float, it's a lie. Sleep deprived with that fall, you don't die, so he signed that pine while slinged with twine. Took out his cigarette, and after the nausea of lunch chunks prolonged to euphoria, saw the glory when he looked up. Back to a promise made, a promise saved. So he patched me up, filled my holes with prose, started talking to me again, incorporating me with the foursome of his best friends, Mrs. Pad getting humped by Mr. Penn. So I've seen that loving again. Black book in the hand, rubbing on him. I've seen his role he plays. I've seen them happy days, still standing there for them crappy days. I've heard them songs he sang, wading through the water with sweet honey, taste the cake. He's awake. I've seen them nightmares turn to dreams for Jesus' sake. I've seen him in the hope and the grace. I've seen him hand clasped at the end of each day, wait upon the knees every time that he prays. I've seen him. I guess if my walls could speak, that's what they'd say.